Hi guys, welcome to Misfired Engineer. Today we are going to ask some of the tricky questions to the running public. Let's see how it goes. I am an odd number. Okay, so take away one letter and I become an even. What number am I? You got the question?
Yeah, I got the question.
Yeah, who's answering?
Okay.
You are answering. Yeah. Sheila.
Sure?
Yeah, take a letter out.
1, 3.
I have no idea.
They could have actually helped you out.
Any hints?
आप सबने इंजीनियरिंग किया है?
हम कर रहे हैं. We are first year.
Come on,
No
help us.
idea. No, I don't know what is it.
Give up.
Sorry. I don't know.
Okay, cool. Let's break it.
Yeah.
So the number is 7. It is an odd number. If you take one letter S,
Even. भाई मैंने सेकंड ग्रेड में मारा था ये तो.
और फिर भी तू आंसर नहीं कर पा रही है. तू कह रही थी तेरा हर उसमें यही होगा.
How?
7 is an odd number.
Oh, 7.
If you take one letter S, it becomes even.
I feel so stupid.
Even. Oh my god. Okay. Good one.